Hello everybody, welcome to another hotel tour. Today we are in Super 8 in Lenexa, Kansas. So, let me show you around, shall I? Starting off where you walk in, there's the door. There's a light switch, which goes all the way to the lamp over there. Now, when you walk in, the hallway's kind of dark, but that's not too bad of a thing. So you walk in, kind of a interesting hallway to go to the room. It's not something I've seen before. It's not bad, it's just different. To the right is the bathroom. There's your favorite content creator. There's the vanity. Some tissues in the wall. A hair dryer. Soap and probably shampoo. Yeah, shampoo. There's the toilet. Trash can. Towels. Bathtub with the shower. I'm not sure what that is on the ceiling. It's dripping. Wait, turn that off. There. Okay. There's a little rack over there as well. Moving on. There's a stand on the right side of the bed with the lamp with built-in outlets. That's been wrapped for some reason. Maybe it's brand new. I don't know. Nice big king-size bed. Nice comfy king-size bed. And a perfect viewing angle for the TV, which is actually hanging and not just like sitting. Kind of looks a bit more upscale, I guess. Let's see. Remote for the TV, channel guide for the TV, a landline, a microwave, little refrigerator, and a little work desk. Looks like this part of the room could be painted, but that's not too big of a deal. Heater and air conditioner. Other stand on the other side of the bed. A safe. Closet area. Ironing board. An iron. And let's look at the view, shall we? That is actually not the worst view. Before I'd just get like a view of like the hotel next door, like a parking lot or the highway. That's actually kind of nice. Kind of scenic. Especially in the wintertime like it is now. See all this snow. So, once again, this is the Super 8 in Lenexa, Kansas. Would recommend, would stay again. And thank you everybody for subscribing and liking and commenting and viewing and helping me reach 500 subscribers. That is halfway to monetization, and it really means a lot. And with that, I assure you there will be plenty more interesting travel and concert videos to come. Oh, forgot to show you the picture in the background. Nice view of some sunflowers. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for 500 subscribers. Here's to 500 more. That's it for now.